Justin.
And I'm Eric, and these are 10 life hacks that are going to upgrade your life.
Number 10, seal them baggies. Let's say you're in a situation where you need to seal a bag but don't have any rubber bands or string or a rope. What should you do? Well, I got a life hack that'll help you out. Grab a plastic bottle, the one you were gonna throw away for your great-great-grandchildren to deal with. Yeah, that plastic bottle. Cut the top of that bottle off and feed the bag through the large opening. Once the bag's all the way through, fold the bag over and seal it closed with the lid of the bottle. Look at that! Your snacks are fresh and yummy and delicious, and you're welcome.
Talk about like recycle, reuse, renew, all the things.
All the R's.
It's like I'm taking this plastic. I see how it would work.
And then twist it. The 5 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, remember, subscribe.
Those are them. Number 9, use your watch as a compass. Imagine being lost somewhere. Better yet, pretend like you own an analog watch. Now that we're pretending, here's a life hack that you should probably know about. In case you ever travel back in time and find yourself lost, this is getting weird. Okay, hold your watch on a flat surface and line up the hour hand with the sun. The halfway point between the hour hand and 12 will be north. If you're in the southern hemisphere, then line up the 12 with the sun. Awesome life hack for time travelers who might be wearing an analog watch on a sunny day, who need to know where north is and are able to make life-saving decisions based on their knowledge of north, east, south, and west.
That is so valuable.
I've not had an analog watch in my possession for years.
Yeah, well, I stole one off a guy in New York City like last year. It was on my possession, then I pawned it. But other than that didn't happen. But it's good to know. For some reason, this is still great data for me to know.
Just in case. You never know, guys.
Number 8, plastic and quality music. If you want to enhance the sound of the speakers in your laptop and don't mind looking a fool, try this. Take a plastic cup and cut it into 2 pieces. Stick the cups around the speaker area of your computer and make sure both parts are upside down. All the sound waves will be collected and come through your new, shiny, sort of awesome speaker enhancers. Hey, don't knock it till you try it.
You imagine just like you're at a party, someone's like, hey, can you turn up the music on your computer? And
it's full blast, but give me those solo cups. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark.
Number 7, hands-free cookbook. Try this next time you want to put your culinary skills to the test. You'll need 2 paper clips and a hanger. Find a hook from your hanger and then clip the book onto the hanger. No worries, now you can cook with both of your hands and your entire heart. Because the best way to someone's heart is through their stomach.
Do you remember people saying that? Like the best way to a man's heart's their stomach? That is the stupidest. So many things to say.
Yeah, a hanger and a cookbook.
And now you can cook hands-free.
I'm just curious who's actually who's actually holding the cookbook and trying to cook, but doesn't think to just put it under their chin to saute
right.
I mean,
Mom, this soup tastes like cookbook. Did you drop it in the soup again? Yes, Billy. My name's not Billy, it's Justin, Mom.
Whatever your name is, whatever.
Number 6, fix a broken zipper. Okay, so when the zipper on your pants won't stay up, here's an awesome solution. Grab a key ring and slide it through the remaining part of your zipper. Pull the zipper up and put the ring around the pants button. Now your zipper will not move down unless you remove the key ring from your button.
Nice.
It's like a quick hack, going to the meeting, can't buy any pants yet.
Got a key ring though.
Got a key ring.
I'm gonna do this little.
What are you gonna do with all your keys? Now they're jiggling in your pocket.
Loose keys.
Hello, sir. Here for the job interview. Don't mind if I set these down.
My keys down.
I guess that's better than showing up with your zipper wide open.
Oh yeah. Number 5, nail polish to the rescue. If you have several keys on your keychain, it's easy to get confused as to which key is for what. Try grabbing a few bottles of nail polish and paint the top of your keys to help you remember which key is for which door. Red could be for your front door, blue is for your shed, yellow is for your mom's house.
At my mom's house, they had a basement, and the key for the basement, we put a black thing on it because the basement was super dark.
Okay, yeah.
So that helped us remember.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah,
that's smart. Unless you've just done the previous hack.
Yeah.
Then you just have keys everywhere, and then it's a matter of losing your keys.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean?
But your pants are on.
Your pants are on. Your keys are colored. Life is good.
It's a good day. Number 4, a fiery snack. For situations when you have enough to munch on, but nothing to ignite, this hack is for you. Cheetos and Doritos burn easily and can be a great way to start a fire, all thanks to their calorific value. pun intended. Need heat or light? Just grab some Cheetos, Doritos, and set them ablaze. You're welcome.
It's like you're camping. You say, kids, go get some kindling. We're trying to start this fire.
Yeah.
And they just go to the cooler, just grab a bag of Cheetos.
Yeah. Done.
Flaming hot Cheetos.
Oh,
Better,
I was
bet.
looking for
I
that.
bet
I was
they
looking.
were better.
Baby shark, baby.
Number 3, the solution to a broken key. Have you ever had a key break off into a lock? If it hasn't happened to you, consider yourself lucky. If you ever find yourself in this situation, here's an easy yet effective hack. Put some super glue on the other piece of the key, the piece that isn't inside the lock. Once the key is inserted, hold it there for a few moments. Now try to gently twist the key. Like magic, the stuck piece of key should be free from the lock. Now, like kind of a caveat to this, I'm pretty sure that like if it broke off deep inside the lock, you probably don't want to go super gluing it. Do you know what I mean? Because then your key's just permanently in your lock. But if the piece is actually protruding from the lock, do you see what I'm saying?
Oh,
it's got to protrude. Like you don't want to just be super gluing your lock, because then you just got to buy a new lock.
Number 2, in case of an emergency, crayons. Crayons can be lit for about 30 minutes if you run out of candles. Now, this is true. So if you're stuck in a situation where you're out of candles, but you need to light something up and you don't have Doritos or Cheetos, grab some crayons and light them up just like candles. That's a pretty legit hack.
I like it.
And today's all about keys and fire.
Keys and fire.
I just learned
on this list. Don't share that hack with preschoolers, though.
No.
That could get hot.
Oh!
Number 1, paper towels to the rescue. The party's in 15 minutes, but you forgot to keep the drinks inside the refrigerator. Oh, what do? I'll tell you what you do. Grab some paper towels and calm down. Moisten the paper towels and wrap your bottles or cans up in them. Now that they're wrapped, put them in the fridge. You're going to be surprised at how quickly your drinks will cool down using this method.
Dude, that is awesome. I tried it this weekend. It worked.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. For sure.
I had no idea.
Yeah, man. Just wrap them up, get them wet in the fridge. Your friends will never know that you forgot to put drinks in the fridge.
Yeah, no judgment from your friends on that. And then once I wrapped everything up in paper towels and had them in the fridge, I looked to my left and there was a freezer. I could have just thrown them in there.
Oh, jeez.